How to fix Lyft app unresponsive. If you come across this issue with the Lyft application on your device, let me show you a couple of common fixes that you can try out. The first and the straightaway thing that you can do is try to make sure that you force close the application of Lyft. If you have Lyft open up on the background, make sure you remove it from the recent app list. And then the second thing that you can try out is try to clear the app cache. Just tap and hold the app, head over to this eye icon, scroll down, head over to storage, and then tap on the clear cache option. If you're using an iOS device, you'll need to head over to iPhone storage and then offload this application. Once this step is complete, try to see if this fixes the issue. If the issue still persists, then what you can then try out is try to reinstall the application onto your device. This ensures that you have the latest version and any sort of bugs which may be causing this issue will also be fixed. Now, sometimes what happens is your phone has glitches, which are technical glitches. In this situation, what you can do is just reboot your device or restart your device. By doing this simple step, you'd be able to fix the technical glitch that you have on your device, and you'll be able to fix the Lyft app unresponsive issue. So you can follow these steps in order to solve the issue that you're having with your Lyft application. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to let us know. I'm gonna see you in the next video.